Yeah, still 22nd of May. Swept and mopped my floor. Almost all the overspray came up. When I mop it again, that'll get the rest of it. I didn't bother to go back and rinse the floor after mopping, so that real stout soap is on it. Unless you were looking for it, you couldn't tell there was any kind of overspray on it. So, turned out good. Got the tractor out here in the sunshine, kind of cooking off. A little over 80 right now, but real bright sunshiny day. Just let this paint cook. That hood's over 100 degrees. And I already got some dirt on it from my boots. It's a tractor. I put my little decals on, labeled the transmission gears, the throttle, and still ain't figured out what that light is down there, or that one there. Don't worry about it. I ain't worried about it in shit forever, so ain't gonna worry about it now. Sprayer back on. Everything is hunky-dory. So I still got to paint that steering column shaft. I got other things on my mind right now I'm trying to finish up and take care of. So I'll get around to it sooner or later. Yeah. So I'm going to go ahead and mow the yard today here. I usually do it on Tuesdays. But I'll go ahead and knock that out real quick today. I got to put my jack stands back inside the shipping container and put my fork truck up. And need to run to Sam's, get some more of that good floor soap. I used the last of what I had, and I need some bread at the house and or a little crap like that. Nothing major. And like I said, we're fixing to get hot down here. Now it's been uncomfortably warm, but it's fixing to be hot. Towards the end of this week, it's supposed to be in the low 90s. Got a little early for all that, so it's going to be a La Nina year with over 100 degree days, I'm sure. Feel sorry for the boys up the hill, but I'm air conditioned down here. I ain't got to worry in the world. The kind of next thing is the safe. Start sanding on it, and I was going to go back with black, but I changed my mind. I got a hammer look dark bronze color, kind of like that better. I already got the paint, so I'll probably do that and make it pretty. Yep, let me get back to what I was doing. That's about all for this one. Thank you.